so betimi afra ntoma fufu and betimi ahya atade fufu. But let me be honest with you on this one.
Sabre ya me baye, I know say bebre no abusa Okatakyie na on seti up now mantem on seti up now mantem. It is not just about me bantem and ani hear me, but it is about me bano exactly what I am coming to do. So this season has not been just about academic credentials and laurels. Sameba na maba bepe ye masters keke. The past few weeks now me free me comfort zone. Na me ba America. Me self-reliant. It has been a period of deep solitude moment for me. A moment I'm at say, I reflecting, I take a deep breath. I busa me all the questions that truly matter. I hear fan me free ba. I hear fan maba bedru.
And where exactly am I going? I don't think that you know. If it's a Michelle Jumase from Outlines and Pages, Mr. Wincott. A movie Yeko GH1 all the way to Happy FM, XYZ, come back to Angel. Be starting for the records. Munyina amo support me. But when I came here, na me a careful reflection. And after a careful reflection, the answer has become much more clearer. Say, Afrifa, ya nguma me wiase se me ma me fa abrabomu keke. I'm not here to just pass through life. I wasn't born simply to come and repeat a cycle. Say, ya nguma me wiase, me ko school, me nya adwuma, me ware, me woma, me sidan, na me nyini na me wu. And the cycle continues. If that is all there is to life, if that is all life has to offer, Kwame Afrifa, I'm interested. It's too boring. I believe that I was born for something greater. I believe that I was born for something higher. And that great purpose, that solemn responsibility bestowed upon me, it is service to humanity and mankind. If you say, me no say, my baba sha woyimu, me ko me ba de me ye ne de ko ne ba nyina no. Na se me wie, na se sa de mba besua ye nyina yi. De matuto mo ba bedu ha, if it does not benefit the Ghanaian people, especially me kroma Santiago nafo, especially we amuase, bipua, afamaso, bedumase, kona dewu tabre. Asamai konya, if the mesua nyina na benefit jamasefo a na me ba wiase be ye den. And from this day onwards, I make a pledge to Ghana for my yebidia. But mekoso anso serve. Mekoso uplifting nipa se me shia Kofi Kwaku no ye trotro driver. Nanso ne maboa uplifting no. Mekoso aka nokure. Mekosua na stand up for justice, regardless of how they brand me. And to honor the ordinary Ghanaian whose story is my story. For the people, service to the people, for the honor that it will be brought to my name. Say me di and munyambe baho. And it said, Mesum me mine, na me nyam for so. So this time around, we are back, not just to come and do what we usually do, but we are back with a sense of purpose and clarity of ideas. And then, Madam said, when we called, you've listened. I am just astonished. So far, the numbers that we see, I'm just astonished. It clearly shows that Ghana for that so epe Okatakyie no asem. Na Ghana for that so pe masem dia. And then komoni bebre akoso yebedi bi. Nanso mama mo surprise eja. O bisa Okatakyie Afrifa bedu ha de nanso mo surprise no so. Gobi.
Oye.
Jenwa.
Oh, Yay! Oh, You.
More and no correct. I want a woman, dear TV, I mean, no, so I'm free to me now. You're bad today. You need to come over here. Me free Ghana and the other be a co year.
Be a cost of Pepe. Now, come on, I travel with you.
When I travel with you, if you some no.
Jinsem.
Daddy Lumbans and some yasa.
Sending nurse, you were cheap.
You back in your Manu to see what you hurrah some George and Sonne, DSTV name one wine talker, a see. I'm moving in there because in the state of the nation, the true state of the nation.
Exactly. Sure.
You are a baby sin there. And some men also. And near my baby, you did that lumba and some wakata swinty, Yantiasie. You bet you in your Minister of State, who means on famous year. Nejuma pan say, you are no more cram for so moka say, Yira. Say, Nanesi, Komono. Nasabin previous and Japa. You know, you contain a Sikana na ye Manu kuhuyen, a wahin. Some community. 1 year, you say, Okuja to Ablakwa catcher say 21 billion, and you been here free Urem. 1 year down the limit, what do I say? The idea you made this fire. This is the state of the nation and the true state. The people must know. Yama be what Tias in the man for and Tias here. Attorney General, back to back. No about a press conference. Attorney General, Danny Media General. People of was so name of social media no baby this. You be this. But only some microphone so 24-hour economy. The market for so more you know some questions. 24-hour economy no ayed day. You be this uncle no. Do around kumo. Go fire. Some fi gold board. ECG control say yira and ewo he what say sa question when you na you be containers na yira na ya ba foforo ntini ye theatrics na manfo na ntini na mentias obviously we will ask all the relevant questions ye we are be some crofobia ashada no more prepare the minds of the people towards nonsense as if say member in Ghana and you busa question na jo Mahama oba ye no said this ye bu mind ye hunu bi da oba ye say no bu mind nti man tetem ye be busa
stop it
Mahama tetem ne for money because Bank of Ghana says cedi ni 11 and so ko eye ba bi dollar na ankasa wo a eye 12 ana etimi tetem no we need to understand the question is when you bebusa.
Exactly.
Ya ma minister Juma so wanya Juma na Juma pa ne say. Minister na Juma ne say. Na Juma so ne private individuals be kwa akoko ana. Na so manfo ne ne asienti. Ne ani age ne ebo. Bebusa sa question no. Attorney General say no foriata kwa hire lawyer for. How can Oforiata go and hire lawyers? One case you corner walk within the Ghanaian chassis. Attorney General can Oforiata bet me a file or obey appeal to a federal court, from federal court to circuit court to Supreme Court. And you made this sound for Yamen Friday, Tremuya na metro, a civil procedure, so I understand the civil procedure of a United States of America. Extradition certificate, mind you, it is not a judgment of the court, it's a certificate. And for Attorney General to sit down and lie to the people, say a issuance of extradition certificate, obey to me appeal to the Supreme Court, me drene huwa mentiasi. eti ebe busa sa questions no we will have deeper conversations na attorney general say federal court to be and the file ye busa say federal court to be ya because over be do America ha there were 92 federal courts federal district courts 92 federal district courts no emudia he na wa file eye kanoforiata asem ne wo because baby obe file no na kanoforiata tie ansa no wa file eye federal court onim baby kanoforiata tie na ebebusa sa questions we will have deeper conversations into the matter.
Exactly. So
Ntrone ade ne enioma masa na ekoso no manfo ne tiase manfo ne tiase manfo ne drama ne ho nti no mo drama nana jo Mahama ne ba no yi na manfo na baaje so ye the real issues that bother them tiase we will keep on educating the people, we will keep on telling the people without fear, without favor. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. Mamente a young common way in free hotel about that lumba diano. Kovi na ye phone. My name said that lumba asamono ya guna ni mu asie wi ya ye de be nyina wi eti metie free hotel. Na a reference me say enti se bi mpreduasa o. Ekuo na abusu. Enti nyame a de papa say govi. De mu betimi aye ni. Jedwa kobi eti ekuo na sua dad eti nyame akyema de papa se ye mu betimi aye wo nachi nyina ni
fire
said mo sie papa nanimu ase say papa ne din all in the name of fighting for justice and the truth gene ho amintimi me gene nsi obi si eti wiase obi si afre na papa ho amwan wasi ni lumba eti daddy lumba na daddy lumba or fight for justice or fight for nukure question busa na ne say nukure na mu ye he na all fight for if miensa nukure ne kan wasewi anti akoso and first of all let me state this be dem say me cabinet come odoburu ni fo na no mo de makoshe wo say belong to the cabinet command akoso they belong to omumienu bia omumienu bia wo yime if you say be previous enya that no man be ni man ti akoso asewa stop the kamini mo doburu ni eti omumienu nyina asem eyi na ye me busa ne se wosi wunua papa ho awan wosi wunua ne that lumba ana wo defend no credit a kobi me hu ye nka wo ye no anti akosu kure pa ne se o se oh that lumba no na me ware no kwajofosu na ware anti akosu kwajofosu budin wanka bi eti anti akosu kure no kwajofosu me ne kwaje bosia ema no be ho ahwan beta kwajo na bosia no woje na wo tuai budin kwajofosu no kure ne yente so otua yo so wantua odobro ni so se na lumba no kura no mehia no na wohwehwan na jonkuni na jonku nyina atutu ana me fa super good ye na me dini si ho na me hwa no kwadwo na sa na net budin etika asam no woni funu asam na eka de dikan de toso ye fu yonko ye nyina ye nye nemom ye fa yonko se de be ya won power de jaso etika wo ye papa ho ahwan na se wonua ne dad lumba mpani ampa na odo no a enam dad lumba so na anim akoso se wa nam dad lumba so na anim odobroni eti penimfo se besepa ne ko nyina haban ye tase ne banyansa wo tika asem na ko ye no ye kwadwofo so wonye ewiase nyina kwadwo nye bonsam no a na nso wo fa wa amfo se de bayi a wo kyena wo kata na de jaso eti ati ko se wa ware no no ko ye hia wo papa shi no aba be ka kire papa wa no ye ma lumba no bie ne num kan ne nyum amiete even the last statement fa na yira kosu asewa ho ono ahwe ebuo ni odo na se me yira kosu asewa onye sada o ne mere yo na nso bu ne yire no etika wudua no busa ho kwashin se kojo fusu dia no akofa abai Kwadwo for so ware anti akosua sewa menim pefe so woni odobroni atena emfie bebra wo man nso ama ba ko awu eti nkola ni nyina ma wo mo eti ka we no besepa ni ko nyina haban ese de ye ware no de ye anware no unua no na akofa aba tubu nkotwe no wa panti akosua besere wate acho wate besere watena kwadwo ehu akwadwo wonye bonsa bia nche no so watena wo mfie aduasa man see the see no ense ehwe wate na ye de wonsam ne ye ka de emramu no kovi ye will be a friend and nemo that called non habet you cannot give what you don't have eti anti a year that lumba and then you see in tantra they were Germany they were a year isligo bebia no anti akohwe wo muchefa eti emra ne ma kwan se obetimi di ni nyina mo odoburuni ti anti akohwe mesiro nya abotu wate ni ensi akoyi bonsa we no onko na we wa fro odoburuni odo mesiro wa ni die bi esefata anti akohwe amunye din ni anya ne sa why paucho why no ni ye se wuye nua ebise unua no na akofa ni mienu nyina aba ayo ya ne manu wo odoburuni ho no nti wi abetimi no mo afase wo mane wo mu ana bisam papa ho awan besepa ne ko nyina haban na no na wo ba no wo bo adwaman kuvi emra no so wo ba ne bo adwaman ye yekuno Yesu Kristo ya disem ni din wo si ni trase wo hya ase so wo tworo wo di nyanse to de emra na ka ho stop it because you want your body that want to boy nyasa wo ba ne nam so mo be Mary Magdalene onwa it is a wunua no obi na asem se ya ba ye katana deja so ye katana deja na deja so exactly or in the name of me fight for the kure na ye nya abusuapani de Nkansah bi wo di abusuapani a enye politics no waka say win or lose abusuapani no wo de nioma for the sake of unity of the family and coherence inti and the matter ya die na bi ya busuapani bi enya no emma ba bi a ye numba ye abusuapani ni so wo launch to park movement wow na ko na busuya betra TV so wo finisim wo yinisim na de numba busuapani o kame hu ye nka busuapani de esi akire no ano media ne ba monko wate na we fisem ye behwe ni nyina ka na busuapani no afro akosia mase asekonofo ye benkonofo mese wate enwu na nimu ase enya court nsem bi America na de e de bia me de ama ho abusuapani ni nyansa ne sa no kasa na moti bi gu papa ye nimu ase sei oyi ne dem fighting for no kure exactly na se ni nua ba ne wo akosua brempoma na lumba and na se ne ma dia ade a wa ye onua be ma na nyame twedi mpo bebusa fire tieni fire besi ade a wo akosua brempoma ade wa ye no nyame twedi mpo ebebusa sa yero asam na reho ho oyene na yetimi atena ho yes all in the name of fighting for no crew agu papa ye ni mu asita ne so bonsam ebi mawia seda wow fire that's the wo fo the wo tio ni enya odobroni won say wodolumba eboroso ya court wadi nkunim nti oti fefie ne am ye de ayi champagne so ye de champagne go so for the fine ye de champagne go so for a dear benya isa no ni anya akosi anu no so abetina team legal wife for better was hey my me de hwe ka kire mo wate monyere mo ho monyere mo ho wate team legal for monyere mo ho odobro ni monyere mo ho aja nti mo nse papa ne din na akosu ya mehu se ayi enam se ne mane se omummuwa no woni bi aja amane muwa wo because woni nya asem a emfa wo ma ho se na lumba wo problem a emfa wo ma ne ho the mistake that we make mo ye ne se mo ne be ma nya asem a automatically mo pese mo ne frankola ni nyina adai wow enti nkola ni be busa question se enti ye papa lumba Anti akosho wanti yamfu ani anto se ye din bese nti asem wo be kura enti na wone ko fu no
Mo.
emo mesere kola no mo ma me wo ye ni papa adamfo bonni nti na oto enyetri
Fire.
ankomodie hunu na wanya futu papa nti ni no so wanya futu papa nti Maya ade nyame twedi ampo nhira mu nyina no wafa ya poku wafa se nyansani wafa se ni petitre se yewu ni aso wafa ya poku free court na wo him handkerchief hallelujah for dear pain mo Maya no ya da mo se Maya ade ni pade 20 years I built something for himself that the Maya ade no no a woni no kan ni kama ne kwa ese lumba ne kwa oye kwasiampeni che wiase ni panyina da na se obi ye kwasiampeni no otise lumba de ne mepese me ye kwasiampeni
Stop.
na lumba no oba e wode ne nsa aye adwuma da hey 30 something years and ajo da suo mu sore tworo nyom na release back to back hit e ya asem gedwa ya ka ya se Manu chezi yetimi kama no gwese se Manu ni hodi anka lumba no kwahwe baabi ansa no krawate medisi no na ne bema tena bema ni ye bibi na mo boa ne ma ni ye bibi a aya mo kasa ma ne koye se asa mo no bua obi we helped him to build it okay so mo no amobua no ma ne build ye no mo se mo de mo ya ade na de o building ye kasa do ye kwase ampani ani nti ekwo no busu amaya de ya de mase ya me de ampo nhira mo de moye ya me kraya but moya de me se me nhira ma mo wate mo fo mo
fire
now on the issue of Ubake niga gamanche we very quick one settle Nyina nkran ni nyina piete ye besua ye pepa so obese o culture na it shouldn't go extinct Bruni kasa or say language is a soft power it is a soft power you cannot use hard military approach abrasive approach to be able to let people like your language
Precisely.
it is a gamanche mirror so why do you say nkran yira Kachira menu no mon cry force. Enya wo mo ni mu no sante fo ko ye na ba mi ehunu nkran kasa. Na no gamanche mba besra wo. O ye ohwe manim di na ase ka de kokko sua nkran nyasa. Kokko sua nkran na ochina wo beba ha na ne aba be di nkomo bi. Nkomo ani me di ye ni. Ampa se de oba wo je mi free wa na mkoye. Menta o maka eli aka, menta o maka ebu aka. Kan sisi amatwa bo. Mishia Ediatia said you only make car once in the year makono. It is a more person who said seven previous so will be besua na onsia and once over that as and my money maybe young clan for maybe what and I am back language the amount kasa kwachire because it was a source of merchandise ya
exactly
as I focus na kwachire because omo ya adwadifo Osakwa me despite and will be a radio station one cry. Clearly, there are ways and means I'll be to media media promote or language. Yatina krom ha mati me jama monkra anyum tufo nyina carry ewu adani best. So ola mo jate bi yole. Me kan ba mentia ba me there's some in the oliake in amokofito obosusu eyemede bamentiasia because it's a soft power etiniga wadawuma eba en mankabi besiwa language is soft power sa abrasive approach na money ye ana munyi akwa ba mfiri ho yeyi akwa ba free ho na nkrofo asase ya kan gran na de be ya and again nigga I'm respectfully mesero Samoko e no welcome wo hobroni de amobu amfu. Munu ya no matie kire ha ya kwa aba na ebo ho na madwadwadwadwa. We are sad, the people were shown away from Adiana Apesa. Mr. Was, I am willing to help. Now, so we must not be abrasive with our approach. Soft power. Why? But what why? If you are into life, you call reality in specific issues. Now, Papa into before that, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Baby, Jenna. Okay. Yep. Papa, your friend Sam George, Sam Jata, if I were Jata or your okra. Now you are appointed Minister of Communication, State of the Nation address. First person I address the issue. Yes, Sam Jata. So okra, said you Sam George. Okra George. Now you are appointed as a Minister of Communication for 8 months. Govi. And some who private company and the boy ni would 6 months to 8 months. Montemo price so yente so price so the what the me no say Sam George so buy na appointing getting to 1 year na e dia na why from set no in any case Sam George so what here say Ghana is a free market economy and a otiasiasa and the free market economy it is driven by demand and supply. It may a private company and your friend DSTV and a DSTV no me price BGC your course you if you where demand is higher than supply then automatically prices will go up. Minister of State now say when we say there is a monopoly be somewhere DSTV is enjoying monopoly. Instead of you to say a market competition, you are there thinking of price setting. What is price setting? You don't even understand your job.
Precise.
Constitutional mandate, you do not even understand it. Your mandate as a young minister, you do not even understand it.
Exactly.
The private pay TV service. Oba drew a America. Omu Hulu. Omu Netflix. Omu Amazon. Omu Debe. O subscribe to Wena Senor da. Omu Bordia. Go the next one. HBO near. Then I call the next one. It is where you minister of state. That's Waba. What's your policy for data? Etika say baby question. What do? You create a policy. And the market competition.
Precise.
To strengthen the regulation, the existing regulations and the market competition, beba. Or expand the market access, or build the troublemaker. Who you know, Kofi say, Kofi Bra. But who say DSTV before, GTV, you say ABC and D. It's Mumbra. Now you mere Mumamana Muni, a DSTV compete. Minister no adane machoism. Private institution go be. So be a private institution. One minister now ko check was in front boy. Fire. The policy framework be na one minister no wo the two akwemu. Say bet me break is the monopoly no. Adwene way why is the policy paper? Why is the regulatory framework? Why is the so attracting alternative people? And DSTV one matches all over the world. In America, but this is not going into the minds, not concert, drama. Concert, drama, theatrics. Shifting the attention of the people from the real issues. Sam George. Yenje Sam George.
The Home Minister.
Yes, I'm George.
More fire.
You currently pay 59 Ghana cedis. When you pay 59 Ghana cedis, you get upgraded automatically to Access, which is valued at 99 Ghana cedis, and you get 35 more channels. This represents a 40% savings if you were to pay for the Access yourself. Second bouquet, Access, currently going at 99 Ghana cedi. If you retain your access bouquet at 99 Ghana Cedi, MultiChoice will bump you up to the family bouquet, which is currently priced at 190 Ghana Cedis. You get 19 more channels, which means that if you were to stay on access and get bumped up, for the value you get, you make a savings of 48%. If you're on the family package, which is currently valued at 190 Ghana Cedis, DSTV will automatically bump you up to compact, which ordinarily goes for 380 Ghana Cedis. You get 22 more channels and actually get access
such a shameful behavior and character. Minister of State and a new one for a private individual, but Minister of State, and there were no other a PR announce prices over here and a month for the okay. So after 3 months, prices, what next? Policy now when they buy, a day. Now, in any case, DSTV, could be a necessity and that's luxury. And minister dear, Yadoba Bam, Yawayan in such a way, say, dear a necessity. No, now, Memetiana Minister, only DSTV for Antoquano, State of the Nation address, if I'm home. Wow, 8 months, Edge Yebre. Some George, 8 months, Edge Yebre. The simple question we are asking some George is, or buy for the past 8 months, and then why ye?
More fire. More fire.
More
fire.
Now, a
compact plus customer like you, 570 tomorrow. If you want to watch your compact plus, you save 190 Ghana Cedi tomorrow by paying 380 and still watching your compact plus.
Well,
this cannot be said to be the same.
Based on what you said yesterday,
yes.
Tomorrow, in my case,
yes,
I still will pay 570
because you want to pay 570 and watch premium.
Price reduction. I still will pay 570.
No. What do you want to watch? Do you want to watch your compact plus or premium?
I want my compact plus.
Then you don't need to pay 570. You need to pay 380. You need to drop and save yourself 190. You save yourself 190 Ghana Cedi, pay 380, and you will still watch compact plus.
Compact plus is still 570. Is it not?
The content is worth 570.
Compact plus is still 570.
The content is worth 570.
Compact
it's
plus
being offered to you at 380.
Compact plus is still 570.
The arrogance with which until machoism be challenge. He has no clue what it means to say a minister.
Never.
The beyond he has no clue what it means to be a minister. Minister, the only minister you want to say. We have some George and tour. Now, young State of the Nation, 24-hour economy, no. I had day 24-hour economy, no. I had day. Yeah, 24-hour economy. Yet, Chroma say na 24-hour economy. But two, I'm catching them say, "What policy in IBA framework be any o?"
Nabi.
Name mo na man for ni people be ate. Na okay, how to win elections. Kwaku into 0. Etro koma ani nua maku 0. E wo room. Time wana maku 0. Epe to me. E wo room. Emperor. Okatakyie say, promise the people so hard because people get disappointed when you don't promise them. than when you are not able to deliver the promise. Will you be ready? How by we are speaking to issues and educating you. Marcus Zero, Ninia Quintus Zero, Chro, Krata, command, the time I know up emperor of Rome. No, Okatakyie say. One of the things you must do is that you should promise the people so hard, because people get disappointed when you don't promise them than when you are not able to deliver the promise. It's not your man 24-hour economy. 1 year down the lane, what is the state of 24-hour economy?
No fire.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obiabe Didi. Ezu. Extraordinary problems require extraordinary solutions for extraordinary results. And so businesses and public organizations will be encouraged to operate 24/7 in 3 shifts of 8 hours each. This will boost production, it will increase employment and provide well-paying jobs. It will transform Ghana into an import substitution and export-led country. It will increase employment opportunities and revenue, and it will enhance access to public services. We will focus on some selected public institutions that have huge customer traffic. For instance, the ports and harbors should be open 24/7. That means we have to employ more workers at the port. We have to employ more customs officers, more Gapoha workers, more forklift operators and all that. We need customs. Customs should work 24/7. 3 shifts.
Mr. President, 1 year on, Akufo-Addo buy in the first year, 2017. The first year now, annual or launching the flagship program, free SHS.
Precisely.
1 year down the lane. Which sectors are operating the 24-hour economy? What are the measurable outcomes as it stands now? Mr. President, we want to know. Why is it 24-hour economy? Oba, your nurses for quarantine. 1 year. What is the status of job creation under the 24-hour economy? Samejanfi, 24-hour economy, no? What is the status? What percentage our policy was a major employment engine? How many jobs have been created? Which industries have adopted the 3 shift? 1 job, 3 shift, 3 jobs. Data 133 gomi. Data 24-hour economy away. Man for the NTSCT. Data 24-hour economy. Citizens in the pursue muhunu. Now 1 year at a concert. Man for the NTSCT say. When the boxing, the Amfa. Near the Shatawali na lumba die ba ya boa lumba die se 3 months ya nkare na concert nko salary arrears of nurses, doctors, teachers kula muntimintua and I don't know as agoya kutubunku ya otega ate wasi ya teachers ka the several months of see ntua omukaro ya tua omukenti yemo yensem aban no it's crazy to say aban yend Edigobi clearly a frakadam 24-hour economy no the state of the nation you know actually say 24-hour economy be anyhow same ayi gold board so eka
would love to do that. But if you are not and that is where John Mahama's 24-hour economy comes in as a deliberate government intervention to encourage that person and make it easy for him. And yet it was no. You think Kenya boso. Yeah, the idea by friend of time of use tariff. And mra will be use Kenya and a better boa will be tria. It will use soon Kenya no. And mra ni pardon will use soon Kenya and your friend.
Sameja mfin kwane said usika in Kenya.
In Kenya.
In Kenya. In Kenya no away time of use tariff for said no away.
Active.
Sameja mfi away. How many companies necessary at the time of use tariff for said in Kenya no? How many companies? Frakadam. And the people are not interested in these particular things. They are distracted. A lot of things distract them. The state of the economy, the 24-hour economy, Wadaruma, Ghana was told, Ghanaians were told we should expect major economic shift 1 year down the lane. 24-hour and coming in. President
John Dramani, please, we are on our knees. Some of us work for the party. Look, these are our party cards. This is my party card. This is my paying card. This is where I pay my dues. Look at this one. Look at this one. You see, so it is not politically motivated. This is my party constitution. It is not by NDC MPP. Please, the youth have worked and must be paid. Teachers must be given clearance. Those who are in the house, they should be given clearance to work. You see, Ghana, we don't respect teachers. It is teachers who make every profession. So now, why are you making it look as if we should regret why we chose this profession? All of us cannot be at the presidency. All of us cannot be at the ministries. All of us cannot be doing any other work. Some must definitely teach. And so if you have chosen this profession, and this is how Ghana is treating us, if you don't get teachers to work, if you don't get teachers to teach our words, what will the country, how will the country be? How will it be?
If you don't get teachers to teach our words, Kopebe before Froda, what in our buying what other 24-hour economy.
That one.
So the state of the state of the nation address here, Manu, the Ekoso. Money me bring your butchery. Go via to Kwamasi. Anna, no more day, Aibaye. Ora.
Six cases that we have reviewed in detail. If we are successful in recoveries, we can retrieve as much as 20.49 billion United States dollars. 20.49 billion United States dollars. 36 cases, and that's from National Cathedral, PDS, MS, SML. You have the GMPC Salt Pond decommissioning.
Ogujatu, 21 billion away.
Man.
21 billion. 1 year down the lane. Ora me pamucho madaroma 21 billion ewahi.
Bisa more.
Major campaign promise some be retrieve corruption. They say Attorney General, and no media general, and media general. They say medium no wa ba. Ya be court Afutuo. Attorney General's uncle court. Hey, ya ba media ni wa ba. Na Attorney General no. They say mama nko ye media general for headquarters. Cause me knew the oil. Now the I am can ask him because of the respect I have for the deputy. Justice Ramsay.
So precise.
Now so and you better to. You better man for no what. The Musa government will say, what is the commitment of Ora and dear now Bamaje Dodo says he can imagine saying court on sense.
Fire.
Yenti okujato. Yankosu ntino.
And we decided that in this open session we will not go into greater detail. And there's a great deal of resources belonging to the taxpayers that can be retrieved. Then we've also done an estimate of the state capture, the lands. If we successfully ask people to pay conservative market value for the lands they have looted, again, the experts are telling us that we can recover about 702.8 million United States dollars for the Ghanaian people. That's if we just ask
708 million. Sign a multimiaje. No catch it. Obra, hey, yede ayi akwaya wakasa lawyer yakase. Your friend say ayi Martin Pebu.
Martin.
Ora, we go after them. Ora, akwaya day. 1 year down the lane, state of the nation. What is the true state of Ora? What have they been able to achieve?
Ask them.
Ora, no. What is the true state of Ora? Yebejanis, true state of the nation address. We will keep on advising. For me, yebema mo hunu di ekoso. Dede ni adini nyina enkahwe. Afini to concert ne president Mahama waje fans ni we are humble but okay we are humble nyina na concert no kata the real issues, so I am not part of it. I'm watching the true state of the nation. True state of the nation.
Those who were paying 42,000 cedis, 120,000 cedis, 160,000 cedis to pay the fair market value. Those are lands that $500,000, $600,000. You will even struggle to get cantonments land at that figure. So very conservative estimates. We take the view that if people are asked to pay the real market value, this is how much we can retrieve. So in all, just a summary, the 36 cases, the high amount cases that we put together, and then the land loot, potentially we can raise about 21.19 billion United States dollars. And that is far more than what we have been chasing the IMF for. We have also saved large portions of the agric mechanization lands at cantonments. Those of you who are conversant with that land opposite the Elwak Sports Stadium, all of it had been allocated. The documentation we have is that all of that land has been sold. And the sad part is that you will see from the report, some people, prime cantonments land, paid as low as 42,000 cedis. 42,000 cedis for a plot of land. Some 160,000 cedis. And these government officials, MPs, ministers of state. So,
Gobi, General.
Bisa no hene.
Me ofa kempo, me ofa me nya me hu se wo frɛ na me wi a me frɛ. Why? Me frɛ ni edi ma me akoso se wa onkomo. Why? Ni ade nyina. Go fie
hene.
Na ye free ora ne ho no a. Ye ti kromo asei. Ana rantie bi e frɛ ni Jakwa. Hɔne ne nkurɔfoɔ hyehyɛ kambu. Ɔmo so ɔmo akɔkye gold bi.
The national security has made a massive bust, seizing a large unspecified amount of US dollars and Ghana cedis, including other counterfeits, hidden in 12 20-footer shipping containers. The containers were tracked to a warehouse at Sapiman in Ega West municipality, where a special operation was conducted after a tip-off. The cleverly concealed currencies, mostly bundles of US dollars, was found in wooden boxes filled with cement. Other boxes opened in the warehouse during the operation revealed extra currencies stashed in boxes that are barricaded with plywood and concealed with charcoal. According to the national security operatives involved in the operation, 2 containers
the state of the nation, Jakwa. Gold in gold na muko any $6 na muko ewo he. We want to know the truth of the nation. It's a muko nya good. Na ebesi ne ya hunu ba be fire dia. And it means more as how good the dollars no. Because the people must know. The people must know. For several months, 1 year down the lane, the question is louder. That means answers. Where is the gold? Where is gold bond? Gold bond fire. Much question say Masamija and Fiba Kachira, you say. Watch it, oh, my before Samija and Fiasam so. Mianko, where's ECG? Jinapo, Samujinapo, Sawayo, Kachira, you say, Sayira. Over 2,000 something. Even a state of the nations are containers when away. What is the you was a question. What is the status of a year container away? Them. It's Mount Fon and Tinio Manwasi. Why the state of the nation addressing the neighbor? I go for yet he has said gold board may be making losses. Okay? So gold board may can want some kind of and it is coming out gold board is making losses. Now you the information fire. Oh, you want fire. Gold board is making losses. The true state of the nation. You free missing ECG containers in the 2,637 and wahefa. Expose them. This one. Ovi. Omon kana correct. Na manfo na yes. Na say yira ya yesi enhu ye ewo he. $1 ye kwache no opoku ase na ewo he. The state of the nation. Obi awia na fire. Ye busasa ko. Obi awia. No fire. Yes, anka you.
Meanwhile, a manhunt is underway for 4 suspects, including a ringleader known only as Alaji. The warehouse yielded even more shocking discoveries, including boxes of metals suspected to be gold bars, counterfeit notes in 50 and 100 cedis denominations, and fake Ghana Army uniforms and boots.
The state of the nation, you know. Okako. Baby ayaba bedu no. Etro ne di bumai.
Sa?
Etro. Ye ninu me ye ho. Yan sorry for ya Asam George ni ahwe ora ni state national security ni gold board nsensem etro mo di bumai. Na afi ya ka 24-hour economy. Mamen kwa 2 major topics very important topic. Attorney General the press conference Efa Ofuriata ho. Respectfully say you are not an honest person to the people when it comes to this very matter.
Never.
Attorney General eba beka nsebi. Second Ofuriata and wa high lawyers for CM fighting man. Attorney General any question. Second of we have to fight high lawyers in the bay.
Pisano.
Or high lawyers in this one day. Because emra extradition beyond start ya. Can of we attend to me high lawyers from Guayare?
Never.
It's a question you Attorney General. Attorney General. The banner can of we high lawyers no. Now also file a ujina okasai for several hours. When to me for one single evidence, I must say, still try your file any. Your filing was federal district way. South federal district when you file a gobi. Now suit in a many. Judge in a tissue. When to me for BBC. Fire. One for BBS Ama. Nkansah should Eti Attorney General question ye busa ne say so far Ken Ofori-Atta owo he. Enkomo bi akoso wo ho. Mama mi ni kakra nkyere mo.
Oh fire.
John Mahama campaign team say. They say yebeto aba no. The last $20 million omunya free he. Monty they make a ye. Monty a ye. Before question me busa na fa momo ho. Musa John Mahama ban say. The last $20 million on the year in the campaign onya free he.
Oh fire.
You busa question.
John
Mahama mo here. Yebeto aba na John Mahama was kra. Now, you're very fluid. Now, opposition or what's Cassie Cradie? Not a young one.
It means that.
Idea Wamu Yenina points to the fact, say it looks like Obi Besek. Idea no, Yabet chicken of Ofori-Atta name or the man for no journey a diagro. And Metchel Yanko Attorney General.
Principle of reciprocity applies, okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abutrika as I have done, okay, and then get Ofori-Atta quickly in return, all right. But usually, the extradition proceedings take place in a court of competent jurisdiction.
Okay. Hold on.
Abutrika as I have done.
Hold on. Attorney General, Jinaso na yemusa question. Kovi. Mama me general question. Or you see what they say. Usually, the extradition process is not started in a competent court of federal jurisdiction. Oba meremu agovi. Ubisa lawyer ni bia say what is the most principal law here pass obi huna. And they say, say wusua mane nyina wie na wonnim jurisdiction of the court a wasua gukwa. It says over file case. Na case no woni made mane kosisen. Wa bene mane kosisen. Na on the call the wrong court wa de ayeye nyina no. Bronisi o say Nkansah. Okatakyie no say extradition process it starts at the competent court of federal jurisdiction. Tienio. Meanwhile, federal jurisdiction chrono wamfa anto. Wantibi anka nkyere say obedu United States here. Federal district court wo United States here. 92. Ukodu New York for instance. Federal district court in 3 in New York. Forum and venue selection. Untibi now sorry asa ma file case. You cannot fight an extradition that does not exist. If it's an American from Extradition Act of 1960, Section 7, the ECA, United States, also file a federal question, file anyway. Now,
to take a moment to announce that I have formally transmitted the request for the extradition quickly in return, all right. But usually, the extradition proceedings take place in a court of competent jurisdiction. In our case, that is the district court, all right. In the U.S., it will also be the federal district court. Now, mind you, the person who is the subject matter of extradition will fight it in court. Okay, so the American authorities won't just take my request and say, here you are, here is Ken Ofori-Atta, and then here is, his other accomplished, and you take them and then they can face trial. It will have to go through court proceedings in the U.S., all right? And I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top, yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America, very experienced lawyers to, defend him. Now, I'm not afraid at all right? I am not afraid at all. But it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the US.
Attorney General, I am so sorry. You are a noble gentleman. Why are you deceiving the Ghanaian people? Kenoforiata has hired some top lawyers. So first of all, extradition process, to challenge an extradition, there must first be a formal request from Ghana. Later, the timelines and data or the extradition procedure, you can clearly tell us a time like Kenoforiata and lawyers. And Kenoforiata can appeal to the circuit court. So go through almost state court and more federal court. Or more your friend is federal district court, circuit court, and some United States Supreme Court. Now go exactly. You can say extradition. Say federal district court or magistrate Nasua. They all you have to say issue extradition certificate. TNU by you read extradition a year section 1. I say a requisition for a surrender of a fugitive criminal of any country who is suspected of being in Ghana shall be made by the minister by a diplomatic representative or consular office for that country. The minister by order signify to a district magistrate that the requisition has been made and require him to issue this warrant for apprehension. Now, sir, extradition process will be the same reciprocity. Or word was a reciprocity. Reciprocity, they say, send the extradition process. Sana US so any delay. So Ghana, extradition Act of 1960, Section 7. Or says, who extradite will be Obiaba be dibone. Oversee a channel in the Kwadwo. The NCA decay and say, a year Nipro ne diplomatic senka yeni okuje to Ablakwa ebe file abasi Ghana for more ni Panama. So US is almost the same. Extradition process is almost the same. Now you ready we say US for tie gobi every now obedu ha 18 United States Code Section 3184. Or say whenever there is a treaty or convention for extradition between United States and any other foreign government, any justice or judge of the United States or any magistrate authorized, the key word here is authorized. So you cannot just sit down and allow any judge at all, any magistrate at all, to sit on an extradition process. General Tienier. So Attorney General Babeka Chere say, ya file Kenoforiata high lawyers for na a lawyer for no more top class. They are fighting the extradition. It's a lie, palpable. Because first of all, you must tell us where Oforiata is. Because you can't just wake up and come and serve a year extradition process anywhere. It must be at the right federal district court. Federal district court, so baby, a nipana or reno otie. Eti Attorney General for Furiata address na wunimuno of Ambrey. Eti Attorney General do Furiata address in Breya. Near Hunuso Furiata to California, Ufuriata to New York, Ufuriata to New Jersey. It is our federal district court in the New Jersey. No, and 1 year file federal. Now, many inquiries are court in the so no suit. Oh my! So the idea that somebody is fighting extradition is not true. Here ready a section 18. Here ready. I say, may upon complaint made under oath issue warrant for the apprehension. Govi, social media. Govi, Mona Montia, no problem. Attorney General is lying to the people. No U.S. court is hearing any extradition case. Maybe extradition case in Omoyen, Ewahi. Attorney General, why are you lying to the people? Semino Okasei, Federal District Court to Bay and our file extradition process against Ken Ofori-Atta, because you can't just wake up and file extradition process anywhere at all. So why is it? Now, Attorney General.
Former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta and his chef de cabinet, Mr. Ernest Dako Akore. You will recall that the Office of the Special Prosecutor investigated acts of corruption and corruption-related offenses by the former Finance Minister and his accomplices, and proceeded to file charges in the High Court of Justice against them. On November 19th, 2025, that is this year, my office received a formal request from the Office of the Special Prosecutor to initiate extradition proceedings for Kenneth Ofori-Atta and Ernest Dako Akore from the United States of America. Following a preliminary review, our International Cooperation Unit observed that certain aspects of the request require clarification and enhancements to align with the applicable legal and procedural requirements. We communicated these observations to the Office of the Special Prosecutor via a letter dated 25th November 2025 and requested supplementary documentation to ensure completeness. On December 9th, 2025, the Office of the Special Prosecutor provided a requested additional documentation and addressed observations.
So by December 9th, and I am not say 22nd. So at what point in our file extradition
that we raised, thereby finalizing the extradition request packages. Subsequently, on December 10th, 2025, my office transmitted the complete request to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for onward transmission to the competent authorities in the United States of America. That is, in this case, the Department of Justice of the United States.
So the Department of Justice of the United States, so clearly you understand that a Department of Justice of the United States, and eventually issue a arrest warrant. So how did you manage to tell the Ghanaian people, say, Ken Ofori-Atta hire a lawyer for, so among fighting the extradition process? Because you're ready, sir, you're ready. You're ready. Now, I say, if on such a hearing, he deems fit, here we are talking about judge now, but national, he deems fit the evidence sufficient to sustain the charge under the provisions of the proper treaty or convention, he shall certify the same to the Secretary of State that a warrant may issue for the surrender of such a person. It's Attorney General, our lawyer, Ninim said, a banner extradition, and your final decision of a court. So if extradition is just issuance of certificate, how did you manage to say that it is appealable? Because per section 3184 of United States Code, no, extradition is appealable. The only time a decision is appealable at the court is when that decision is a final binding judgment of a court. In some instances, when your lawyer when him say even temporary restraining orders and injunctions near the Quran and appealable at the court. How much more a certificate, magistrate, and a judge neighbor issue, and a wood try and torture Ghana for one say. Ken Ofori-Atta high top lawyers what they air fighting. Attorney General.
At this point, it is left to the American authorities, especially the judicial authorities, to make a determination on whether a sufficient basis exists for the two accused persons to be extradited to Ghana to stand trial. And because the matters have already been filed, and because they have been filed by the Office of the Special Prosecutor.
Filed where? Which court? Which judge? When was the hearing done? Filed where? Extradition cannot be filed at any just U.S. district court. Yes, I mean, you should give the people credit them with some intelligence. Eti Ken Ofori-Atta ne address otehe. Ken Ofori-Atta ne address no otehe. and I'm file a federal court. Somebody may be among country. Now there is no appeal, no second hearing. If it's a judge, no, your magistrate court, no. Onye determines yes, extradite Abutreka is a certificate to be released in the Nako. But we try to watch the man for and say, Kenoforiata will be fighting, going to the circuit. When you migrate some chicken Kenoforiata. And maybe some question said $20 million now money mo campaign last minute and away. $20 million away. Na ya chief Kenu. One chicken Kenoforiata no and China. Why do you see a chicken Kenoforiata? It's a lie. It's a lie. Yan chicken Kenoforiata nen China. So why gonna I say? You're ready a year. Okay. Sorry. I'm back to Ofancha Mr. I say Mr. X and Mr. Y. I feel no motion your man. Or come Mr. X, Mr. Y, so still I don't want EPP and your what's your two. Now, Yansha Adewi. When him say Adi Attorney General and Washada and war yesebe ya obese Kenoforiata case no. And make sure the India. Because as part of a year treaty conventions between a year United States, you know, say o politicize Adi too much. A fugitive criminal shall not be surrendered if the offense in respect of which his surrender is requested is one of political character, or if it appears to the Court of National Liberation Council that the requisition of a surrender has in fact been made with a view to try or punish him for an offense of a political character. Tienyo. Eti adi Attorney General ya de bia no odi abegina media mu a or fight Kenoforiata onimpe fe se mrane kase se ye kase obi mra for extradition process. Na say nipa ne politicize adi any too much. United States will not give that person to you. So say, why are you lying to the people? I don't know which man for an intro. It's man for you. They are some opium. Or me say, you media money diasem. Menoka said there is no extradition anywhere. Say be what? Wadaroma Attorney General yesrewa for extradition, you know, court to crime file, you know, Fabra ni nyina. Why? So it's a lie. No extradition. Bibia say anyhow. Attorney General ni chamotro. O chamotro. O chamotro pa.
Principle of reciprocity applies. Okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abutrika as I have done. Okay, and then get Oforiata quickly in return. Now
then, Abutrika, right. The one fighting case, you know, from Supreme Court, from District Court to Abutrika, or you decided and I'm going to call yes, sir. Now yet me fighting extradition process up to a year Supreme Court level. So I believe that Abutrika would. So Attorney General no or Nkano correct. Munyina mudia. Now, last minute, Yamfa last state of the nation, Emra, here we are, so. Yet to Chroma say, Emma Ura John Dramani Mahama. John Dramani Mahama said, Yatu Abama in 2016. In fact, who penipo ye lucky power we are here. John Mahama aye MP. Deputy Minister, Vice President, President. Anna, the Nimugu Asia 2016. Or Dan and Huno Okobaye. Okobaye and Yamia and Adamsa sharing Munyam. And this president, Bahuno said, Encophobia Shasia, Yentie Mahama Ayariga. MP now went to me Kurubuno. Yentie Mahama Ayariga. Now Mahama Yariga ese enam ejuma papa joma ma eboninti ebetimi kura yema joma ma nko third term.
That due to the very, very excellent performance so far of John Dramani Mahama, Ghanaians are asking him to seek a third term. I know that. I know that because I read on social media, I listen to conversations, and Ghanaians believe that as a result of the good deeds of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, they don't want him to leave the presidency.
They believe a third term is possible.
And they believe that a third term is possible. And they are demanding for a third term. But John Dramani Mahama has not given any indication that he wants to go for a third term. But I have always said that Ghanaians will be the ultimate deciders of the future of this country. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, why do I say that? Please pay attention. Why do I say that? Next doors in the Côte d'Ivoire, the opposition leaders came to me when I was in the ECOWAS Parliament and complained that the president there wanted to go for a third term. And they were calling on us in West Africa to support them to oppose and prevent the president from going for a third term. So I asked them, the president who is seeking for a third term, is he going to put a ballot box in front of the citizens and ask them to vote?
This useless conversation being had by Mahama Yarga. Any serious jurisdiction, Mahama Yarga would have resigned as the majority leader of our parliament. Now, Ghana Parliament, over the quality of people who stand on the floor of Parliament to debate, they lack even the intellectual firepower to be able to debate on the floor of Parliament. And unfortunately, it's the truth. The likes of Victor Usumu Jina floor of Parliament, President Kufomu Jina floor of Parliament, JH Mensamu Jina floor of Parliament, no more making debate. They are making coherent analysis of issues. Look at Mahama Yarga. Any serious country where majority leader of the party, any what the constitution says, and this is not about politics. We are Penyah, Metro, we don't history. But only say no, Constitutional Review Commission for the Abase. Mayama MPC ministers. There is historical antecedent to that. But only say the Abase yen changing from 4 years to 5 years. There is historical antecedent to that. And I'm saying Ghana for an city. And the same thing is Anna Kwame Nkrumah time. You see, yeah. Kwame Nkrumah Obaye 1948 riot. Kwame Nkrumah ye pamo no. Yenshine kotu mu na Nyankopon ye na dom se de dwomama ye gu nanimu ase 2016 Nyankopon ye na dom etie ne sufre ana Kwame Nkrumah in 1951 or so ye the election social so BT ye UGCC for then onya nkrofo me sha ase keka nkwase asem kire no Kwame, you can do it. Kwame, the people love you. Kwame, go ahead. Now Kwame Nkrumah ye no yi Chief Justice Akukosa said your dwomama ba ye ono so yi Chief Justice Tokonu Shim Kwasesamsa now Kwame Wakofa Preventive Detention Act we use Parliament na yedema no majority Parliament na yedema Kwame Nkrumah no now Kwame Nkrumah use the same majority Parliament no Masasa Marano Preventive Detention Act. Don't forget everything Kwame Nkrumah did was law, it was legal, but it weakened the institution. And one of your mama by your mufu eleno young ye Chief Justice no you know you have super majority. Kwame Nkrumah no super majority, super majority. It was 33 against 3 seats. So it was a super majority back in 1950. Say ya on near Catholic trim. Now Kwame Nkrumah ave grade we said your mama and catch ye easy. We Kwame Nkrumah do any issue. Or ye no use parliament super majority near the man no. And or pass him they say grandma declare one party state. Said the name for a Jimmy for a catcher say constitution, you know, sister. Ewa bra, wo your mama when you win him the SC. The anti-ana coup d'etat as a coso. Emma sa a republic way etimia survive is the hope that people think they will get the chance to choose their government every 8 years. Now what you say, yes, it's a constitution, Mesa could be you, and President Mama Pa, Obetimia could be you, said your mama doing some many Ghana. A man was sorry Pomo Kwame Nkrumah, tell me a Pomo Kwame Nkrumah no. Now question Saki, or nene nam a year. Ayi Hanover, Ofri Hanover, Oko China, Kwesi Saki Jane ho, Eba Ghana, Ebe Sarana to the Kumakers. Eti nipa ne ben wonu ane be yiwama. Wodi emu monada. Mama yalga wonti mi nko ne kuro monada. Se wo betimi aye, go betimi aye, se yana ne ye Kwame Nkrumah. Sa na champon beji tumi, champon je tumi ne mamanfo ne kosi da bi, o pe union government, o na nkrofo ka chere champon betimi ayo. Champon onu ane nkrofo general kufu mu de tu no. Eti mama ama yarga nya ni tiri koto se je mu aboa. Na wonada. Se betimi ayo. The Ghanaian of yesteryears, the Ghanaian of 1966, the Ghanaian of 1972, the Ghanaian of 79, Ghana will way on a sotiasi. The entire Yejam Mamudi Sansem, who know as politicians, is because of the hope said, a nipa we were trying to 8 years in your Obekwa Mobiaba. It's refreshing. As I Obeka say obey illegal, so be Mobiako. The Article 66(2, Yenredi Article 66(2. Tienye, Oriana Nkrofobi imported nonsense into it. Say Article 66(2 say consecutive terms. This is the written or the actual text of Article 66(2. Article 66(2 is very clear. I say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. You need any consecutive. You need any caveat to be 2 terms, full stop. The president limit is entrenched. It will be until me mama can't say. Ana constitution say 2 consecutive terms and thereby ne fa he go say your mama me say microphone nada so odwe say Ghana for a kawata odi am mo nada oba afoforo na omo boje so John you think you are doing what you are not doing anything. The people just don't understand. Na mama yaga oh ya man tete said Sabia no muye against our constitution we are surviving for the past 33 years. It's because of the hope of the people changing their government every 8 years. And a constitution is supreme than you, John Dramani Mahama. Even if you decide to amend the constitution, which there is a process because the constitution under Article 290, the chapter 8 is an entrenched provision. So there are processes, a entrenched amendment. Even if the people decide to amend the constitution, which means say emaso. You read Article 290 was this article applies to amendment of the following provisions of this constitution, which are in this constitution referred to as entrenched provisions. As a chapter 8, the whole of chapter 8. So chapter 8, amendia. We answer who go through Council of State. We answer our gazette. Na ye shed will be near 2 months with this answer. No. Memo Papa Ben and your mama Nibua. Ye will be that concert in the theatrics. Eti ye versus constitution. Amenako. Tienyansa. Mr. President, Tienye. Now you read Article 1 to was a constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana. And any other law found to be inconsistent, no judicial interpretation shall save you. Now, you better find any means possible. Any means possible. And you defend it. Because Constitution under Article 3.4, you read what Article 3.4 says. All persons of Ghana shall have the right and duty at all times to defend this Constitution. And in particular to resist any group of persons, any person or group of persons seeking to commit any of the acts referred to in clause 3. To hear why Ghana say abrogate constitution wa ye no obeko. Ghana for nya kawetsa. Obese the laws were made for men. No problem. Said the laws were made for men. No yenso so nkwase asem so. Ye benya bodam ni a ochina wono so beba. Also, I didn't cry, say, you free 2 times and 3 times and one. You better about after every 20 years. You think you are the only people who are power hungry. You people. The American, Mr. President. So what you say you're more powerful, when him Nkansah, Obi antimi nya here. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana for. There was Jefa who dear ma Ghana for Pamono. Kwame Nkrumah, George Jefa who dear ma Ghana for Pamono. Okotina Guinea no kuwi. It would be Momonada, John Betty aye, Sisa Constitution, John Betty aye, Sisa Momonada. I may bet your pictures be. So now you're more powerful, you're more intelligent, you're more handsome than Kwame Nkrumah can bet you. Mr. President, be careful. To me ba, ye nyankwasiafo, emo mutwa mushia. Na enye ono omopo wasemu. Omope ade no a omudie because of utumi no. Ti ebe dada. Na Mahama betimi ayo. Na Mahama betumi ayo. John, go ahead, amend the constitution. Kobio. President, Kwame Nkrumah, the best president Ghana ever had. Onye, after you two, no Tigini. Oma no mo dada ne so wonye de wonye nyina no. Obi akura nkwa no. It is a president Mahama be koso aye de oye no a. Me kai wo se Kwame Nkrumah de atu ni nie. Mr. President, de atu Kwame Nkrumah nie. E so be koso aye de wo ye no a. To aso saa. Mr. President, enipa dada na wo ye de wo ye no a de atu Kwame Nkrumah enie. Kwame Nkrumah na oje fa ahodie ma manfo no a. Na manfo ni bonisi no. It drew when West come to chef. Oyi se akoko sa se de obaye wayi a Chief Justice ayenka ho hwe no. You are weakening the institutions. Go ahead and do it. But mention us a picture we so. One was gentleman, a friend Charles Taylor. Charles Taylor was a very powerful guy in Liberia. When power changed within a twinkle of an eye, this is Charles Taylor, a hunk of Guninsa. This is Charles Taylor, a hunk of Guninsa. It is a 2-make club by 1 Ghana for body also 2 seconds here. Mahama Yarigamo, Madanka Williams, and now they'll say you are above the law and you can change it and you go for dear bay. You will be shocked. What will you be met with? You will be shocked what you'll be met with. And we shall defend this constitution with our blood. Some of us were not born to just become some lines or a page in somebody's history. We never was born to be like that. And we don't want anybody to give us an opportunity to write a whole chapter about us. You will face the fiercest resistance ever in the history of our republic. And I know deputy director of operations at the presidency. A friend is Mustafa Bandi. Or say MPP for any baby a boy. And yet me winnie. Mustafa MPP for baby boy. You know why? Because San and Nipa Adasan is subaiti. Adasan subaini say. See the 2 me mau Julius Caesar. Enipa na omone ne call go ekokonto kwa Julius Caesar call go kokonto kwa. Say nipa na wo ba ye Brutus ne nasefo. Omo an de sekan wo no ewo eye Senate. In the middle of Senate. Alexander the Great at the age of 23 years, etimi conquer from Macedonia all the way to eye Persia. Eje sa kingdom akese nyina. Ono an nkrofo ne poison no. It is a winning to me said yet here. Sit down there and start doing the things you are doing. Near the constitution. And it will change the constitution. Go and change the constitution. Julius Debra was president in Libya. Pa. I see don't get here the pa. Or Moabe Boami at the second war a Senate. Said the war Julius Caesar. Coincidentally, only the Julius, but I could Julius Caesar, I could Julius Debra. It would hear Twasso. Nemi anya oje Mahama 24-hour economy, onya yensu yamane tete. Ora etro, onya yensu yamane tete. DS Stephen Tokwa with Sam George, onya yensu yamane tete. Go ahead and do that. And you will see, say to me, Kwame Nkrumah one question Saki, na the foreign affairs minister. Onene na kwa Hanover, ye ku niwe ya no jana hono ba Ghana. Tise wonim said you 2 meter. Tina honedi, eti mo ye President Mahama 3rd term, President Mahama 4th term. Emma so china. Even if the Constitutional Review Commission for omo amendment na omo proposing omo ya, President Mahama came at the back, on the back of this very constitution, which gave him 2-term limit. So he can never become president again. Say yeah, amending one, it will not take a year retrospective effect. It will take a year effect from your next election. So whoever wins, never cost 5 years now. Oh, President Mahama dear, we ting tong time. So, ladies and gentlemen, the state of the nation is say, Japa, gold no ko hunu ya ni kionati for aba ye hunu gold no baby ewo. State of the nation is say gold board sa meja mfi nkrofo na ochiche wo mo no. Besi na ye hunu yi. State of the nation is say ECG for enioma a wo muka sa ayira containers ya ante ho asem bio. State of the nation is say Attorney General second ofurata beba ne baba china. 1 year ni odi Attorney General no media mu court nso ya bie onko. State of the nation is said national security. And your mom coach ye bebre no any ho. Ya tro frakadam and nada no mudi bumai. 24-hour economy away. And my baby catch it as a mope. Eti Madam Munyana Masi. This is the maiden edition. We did Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa. Now what we must understand is that clearly, a year, Jomama and Timmy got tete. But we be that also be got tete. My say lie. I came to serve you guys. I am done. You remember your home break, Kakra, because Christmas in a mood, you know. But I can promise you that starting after the Christmas, you know, there won't be any break. But by any schools and say I need to settle in properly. I have settled in, and I know I can be working from here. Eti, medamunye na mwasi, and I know ubisi America there. Ubana yes. Echere se ube bumi ameti ha mitimi yeshu debia. System no banati no kre pa. System ni more than to the point say muhunu obi anso da bia wo sore no betina Monday to Monday be ye kwase ani aboa say ni pa no ni dwuma bia de wo ye useless pa. If say system we wotim na da bia wo hye ba bi ye kwase ani aboa na wo mpe bibi nya wo ye useless. Beda munyi na mase ye be hye bio mo ma bai. Penyah Nkansah. Everybody yes was his amazing Nabia. Now I'm meeting Afutuo. Nabia nije womu.
Precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh Hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth. For the record, who fights for God. Precisely so.